nung tare ơi adung ka urak da thoro ko ru ke tong kan ka thol hini jangan da ko ru ke tong jangan da ko ru gen la ko ni do nung ta
mai na mga sila tatanang sanaro
그 바토 오바 이용 오바 너무 스테이지 오브라
We have the army of us. We have AK-47 and the USA they have M16 right here. But M16 actually is the Vietnamese. We not only use our weapon, but more than that, we learn how to use their weapon also. So right here, you can see that all the weapon right here is between Vietnam and USA and the allies. But also, we, most of us, M16 and all the machine gun, when they lie down, we take their weapon. And more than that, a lot of people in the city, the spy, they also transfer a lot of, like weapon of American that they steal or they take it from the storage and they transfer here to the tunnel, and we use it all the time. But most of the time, M16 stands for USA and Ally, which is all weapon. So these are the weapons that both sides use. So that is a bomb launcher, which is inside have a lot of, on the top, ready to explode, all the bomb inside. You can see the so nowadays in Russia, and more than that, we also have the China, the communism system of us. We have a lot of communism countries, more than that, yeah. But everyone on the right side, please. And you recognize that around the trees here is actually a small tree. It's a new one because during the past we had a big tree, but it was destroyed by the bomb and toxic. So we built the tunnel system to against American, not only to hide but also to attack them. And right here, I will show you a little bit about the tunnel system. So we have like 250 kilometer long around that. So we build all the time. We digging all the time from the past, And right now, this one only, we open for you to get inside to have a look. So sometimes the tunnel system and the tunnel is actually bigger a little bit. But at that time, because we recognize that American is very big. So we want only us can get inside. So we are small and the lack of the other time, so we skinny. So we build the tunnel very small also. Only for us. This one is Gucci province, and right here we build the tunnel system right here on the Gucci province. So we name the tunnel with the name of the province. It's Gucci tunnel. So right here we are saying right this one and this one called Ben, the area right here. And for you to know that we built a lot of tunnel system, but at the beginning, around 1944 to 1948, we built something very simple like this. The very, like simple, straight, and not complex, just to hide and to against the French and Japanese at the time. But later on, we can see that it's very, very successful. So we expand it. So you can see that right here, the black line is not just straight anymore. It's complex. And inside we have the hospital, the school, the meeting room, the fighting bunker, everything inside the tunnel. And right here, what you have that you have looking like that right here, this one is actually very near to the base of the enemy, which is USA, the airport. And the blue area is the big, so we can keep them a little bit pressure. That is number one. Number two, right here they also want to stop the supply from the city to the area right here. But the river system right here is very complexible. So because of that, we use the river also to transfer a lot of things, food, money, leather, a lot of things. So that is number two. Number three, when you dig the tunnel, you need a land that actually has to be higher than the river level. Because if it's lower, the water will get inside the tunnel and we drown at night time. We have the rabbit hole. And everyone, can you see that? Even we don't have the trees here, but very hard for us to find the. So right here, I want you to have a look. This one. So this one is the rabbit hole. So right here. So everyone, please step forward right now. We sit right there. And we get down. We usually to cover the top of the door. And you will have a straight elbow, go down. And then we disappear, just like that. Yeah. That's how we do in the past. 5 people can go down to see, to have a look. One. Everyone come into the first trap right here. So have a look at the trap. Have a look at this. So right here, when you fall down here, what waiting you is the bamboo with the toxic on the top. Yeah. So right there, that's why it's a bamboo stick. And on the top, because we know that you can see that the bamboo over there is a little bit black on the top because the bamboo is actually flexible. So we want it to be harder. So we burn on the top a little bit, and when we burn, it gets harder and be black. And more than that, we not only leave the bamboo right there, we take the venom or the toxic from the snake and some frog. We put on the top. When they falling down, they got poison and in their body. And more than that, when we want to make this one, we actually want them to to recognize that we're not easy to go to fight. And more than that, when they fall down here and their friends see it, the bamboo goes through their body, they start to wonder why they want to be here, why they want to fight this Vietnamese, something like that. That's the tiger trap, because in the past we also very scared of the tiger, so we make this one for the tiger in front of So right here, everyone, right there, you get out. We get up right here, and the enemy usually come from that way. When they walk to this way, they actually cannot see us, but we can know where they go to by the sound. We can put the ear near this one, and we know they're stepping, and then we know their step, where they go to, and then we can stand up right here and your gun, shoot them like 1, 2, get down high, again 1, 2, again 1, 2, and disappear. And inside the jungle, again, we have a lot of things like this. So one person can appear many places.
But this is so small.
Exactly. Vietnamese at that time very small. Smaller than me now.
You were against them. So
To me, because I'm new generation, and I understand that
Nam làm gì xin kì, không mọi cái vật dụng này.
And actually, they are actually more beautiful than the real.
Làm gì xin phật hào.
We don't really look like this. We are smaller. After the bomb, they get out and they relax a little here. This one have a lot of entity. You and torture you, take information. We have this one. We will cover all identity when we have the big meeting with all the leaders. So because of that, we also have some spy inside, guys, the tunnel also around here. Usually 1 liter we know everything about this part, but we don't know. It's very hard for us. So we recognize that the tank need a chain to move, right? So now we only need to destroy the chain. The tank will stop. And the best thing, the good thing that we can do is we have the landmine. We make it by ourselves. And when the tank
Duyệt xem nào. Sao mà tiền này đi. Này mà.
back then important, which is we recognize that if you shoot American and you kill 1 person, that means you stop 1 person. But if you wound 1 person, some people have to help him. Maybe 3 people, maybe 4 people have to help them. So that means if we wound 1 person, we stop 4 to 5 people. That now become a good strategy. So because of that, from that on, we create a lot of traps. And the reason, the function of the trap is to kill them or to wound them, make them stuck here for longer. Yeah. So right here we come to ton of the trap, but right here is some trap that we use a lot. Right here. And most of the trap here you will see bomb because many bombs dropped here, and most of them didn't explode. And we use the explosive inside to create a landmine or weapon. But because we know nothing about the bomb here, so that at the very beginning, when the people who cut it always die because it explodes. But before they do, they usually have to know that me and this person today, we will cut this kind of bomb 20 centimeters from the tail, and if we cannot come back, next time we not cut right there. So because of that, a lot of people cutting the bomb, maybe they pass away, but the knowledge they will pass to the next one, and the explosive percentage falling down, and it's good for us. But like I said before at the beginning, most of them we die. And now we have a look over here. Drop the bomb here, and then we use this one, we melt it, we make the trap over there. And more than that, we also make the landmine, the shell of it, by the shell bomb or the shrapnel. And then the lady over there, you will see that we also use nature. That bomb, but they won't be here. They usually outside. Because, yeah, only 2 of them, not people here. And we also transfer the weapon to for.
Thế rồi ba.